This presentation will introduce key concepts and procedures related to inventory ordering, providing a foundation for effective purchasing and stock management. Here we introduce common terms essential for understanding inventory management. Terms like purchase order, invoice, vendors, suppliers, lead time, and power level are fundamental. Knowing these terms will help clarify the purchasing process, ensuring smooth communication between buyers and suppliers. A purchase order is a formal document created by the buyer to authorize the purchase of specific quantities of goods from suppliers. It serves multiple purposes: tracking shipments, verifying deliveries, and managing budgets. This document is crucial for maintaining order, accuracy, and financial control. The invoice is issued by vendor after delivering the ordered goods. It details the quantities, quality, and unit cost of the items. It also details the federal and provincial taxes like GST and PST. This document is vital for payment processing and financial record keeping. Vendors or suppliers are the entities that sell and deliver goods or services to businesses. Companies often work with multiple vendors to meet their inventory needs. Understanding the role of vendors helps in managing relationships and ensuring reliable supplies chains. Lead time and power level are vital concepts to remember. Lead time refers to the duration between placing an order and receiving the delivery, which is crucial for planning and avoiding running out of stock. Power level or periodic automatic replacement level represents the minimum ideal quantity of an item to keep on hand at all times. Maintaining the power level helps ensure there's always enough stock to meet demand without overstocking, which can lead to waste, especially with perishable items like food. Inventory procedures typically involve a chef or sous chef responsible for making stock, especially in food settings. For business person, larger organizations may have dedicated purchasing departments. Tools used when doing inventory and purchasing include supplier lists, delivery schedules, and order sheets with power levels to streamline inventory control. Many businesses now use computerized inventory control systems integrated with point-of-sale tools to keep inventory data current and real-time. Smaller businesses might use databases or spreadsheets. These technologies improve accuracy, efficiency, and help in making informed purchasing decisions. Thank you for watching my presentation on ordering inventory.